Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Well, I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam modern home decor. So what you're going to need is this check pattern embellishment set. It's from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 square candle holders. You're going to need 1 round fishbowl shaped candle holder, and then you're going to need 1 pack of the little round Tealight holders. If you cannot find the round Tealight holders, you can use any shape that they have in stock, or perhaps some Tealight holders from a thrifted font. And I'm going to be using hot glue to assemble the project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and it will help to make it permanent. If I decide to use additional items, I will have those listed in the description box for you below as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these modern glam home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they're so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I would like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.